Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable judges, teachers, and my fellow santri, the future leaders of this nation. Before of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Medinia Indira Pratama, and I'm delegation of MA Nurul Jadid. I would like to talk you about scared sanctuary, healing the home we must defend. But before that, I have a little story to tell you. Some time ago, in a quiet corner of our dormitory, I had a conversation that broke my heart. A young student, her voice trembling, whispered to me, "Sister, I'm afraid to go back to my room." She wasn't afraid of the dark. She wasn't afraid of the ghosts. But she was afraid of the voices that belittled her. She was afraid of the very place that was supposed to be her home. In that moment, I felt silent. The pesantren, a sanctuary of peace, a place to learn the love of Allah, had become a prison for her. And the saddest part is, she is not alone. Well, ladies and gentlemen, honorable judges, we cannot hide from the truth anymore. We often define santri as someone who studies religious texts, someone who wakes up for tahajjud, and someone who memorizes the Quran. But is that all? If we memorize 30 juz of the Quran, but our words hurt our friend, are we truly santri? If we pray 5 times a day, but our hands injure our brothers and sisters, have we truly understood about Islam? Data from KPAI shows that bullying cases in educational environment are alarming. But happy audiences, let's put the statistic aside for a moment. Let's talk about us. Often violence in pesantren is wrapped in beautiful excuses. They call it mental training. They call it seniority. Even they call it a tradition. So I stand here today to tell you, bullying is not a tradition. Cruelty is not an education. It is a betrayal of our identity as santri. My brothers and sisters, let us remember the words of our beloved Prophet Muhammad SAW in hadith narrated by Bukhari. He defined a true Muslim with very specific criteria. Al-Muslimu man salim al-Muslimuna min lisanihi wa yadihi. A true Muslim is the one from whose tongue and hands other Muslims are safe. Well, happy audiences, this is the standard. The Prophet didn't say a Muslim is just someone who wears sarung or hijab. He said a Muslim is a source of safety. So, if our prisons make others feel unsafe, if our jokes make others cry, if our seniority makes junior tremble in fear, we must ask ourselves, are we following the Prophet or are we following our ego? So, answering the theme of this competition, what is the role of santri in facing bullying and sexual harassment? We cannot just wait for the kiai or the ustad to fix this. Change must start from us, the santri. As female santri, I believe we have the power to heal. So here are 3 things we must starting today. First, we must break the bystander effect. Most bullying happens because the witnesses stay silent. We are afraid to be called tattletales or cepu. We are afraid to be unpopular. But listen to me carefully. Silence is not golden. Silence is dangerous. When we see a friend being mocked and we laugh along, we are part of the problem. When we see harassment and look away, we are enabling the abuser. We must be brave enough to say, "Stop it, that's not funny." Second, we must redefine seniority. To all the seniors hearing this, being a senior is not a privilege to oppress. It is a responsibility to protect. True authority comes from respect, not fear. If you want to be remembered as a great senior, be the one who embraces the lonely junior. Be the one who teaches with patience, not with violence. The third is, we must build a circle of compassion. Especially for us, santriwati, we have the natural instinct to nurture. Let's create an environment where victims feel safe to speak up. If a friend comes to you with a heavy heart, listen to them. Validate their pain. Don't say, baperan lu. No. Just hug them. Support them. Report the incident to trusted ustad or ustadah. Be the safe space they desperately need. Ladies and gentlemen, honorable the judges, in the end of my speech, let us remind you of one thing. We are Santri. We are the successors of the ulama. We carry the banner of Islam Rahmatan lil Alamin. Islam that is mercy to all worlds. Let us prove to the world that pesantren is not violence. Let us prove that pesantren is a garden of knowledge, watered with love and protected by the brotherhood. Let's protect the life we're living. Let's stop the hate and start the healing. Because the safe pesantren begins with you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, maybe that's all that I can deliver for today. Keep healthy and keep spirit in learning. And last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.